Hello friends, artist Resin Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing fine. Today's creation was supposed to be for autumn collaboration where artists from around the world gathered to showcase their wonderful talents on 7th September 2024. So this was made before the last creation that you watched earlier in the collaboration. Sadly, it failed, so I made a new set for autumn collaboration. As this video was not edited, so was not posted yet. I am taking these insert sheets where you can see these wonderful flowers and leaves that give that autumn vibes. So let's start. Again, planning to play with Terra powders. So what my plan is to combine Terra powder with resin. Let's see how it goes. So I have poured resin halfway. Time to add the leaves and flowers from insert sheets. And in second mold, I am planning to add pearly flowers. I will keep both the molds a bit tilted to get the design. Here comes my mistake part. I didn't spray the resin with 99% alcohol to get the bubbles out in the first mold. And the second mold, as it was too thin, when I kept it tilted, it kind of warped the creation because of the resin weight. So after 6 hours, when it's quite set, I will remove the things underneath the molds and keep it level now. Now I'm calculating how much Terra powders I need to fill up both the molds. First, I am taking the activator by weight in the glass. Then I will add the Terra powders in the same glass and give it a good stir. I wanted to add some colors to it. That's my again a big mistake part here. I had alcohol inks and some other kind of colorants which I thought would work with Terra powders, but none of the colors mixed. Instead, they just scattered in the Terra mix. At this point I'm just experimenting with these colors if they create a new color in the Terra mix. Sadly that didn't happen. Upon seeing it not mixing with the colors, I straight away poured the Terra mix into the mold. Time to prepare some more Terra mix for the second flower tea light. The second one, I at least got some color and I poured that mix in the mold too. Let's see how they turn out the next day, as it's quite late night now. Let's demold. Oh, so many bubbles in there. I'm again heartbroken now. And this second one is also not level because of my mistake of keeping it tilted. Lesson learned. If you want some designs in angles in your craft, place your mold on a bigger acrylic or some other material that doesn't stick with resin and is a firm one. And then place your mold above it to give that angled design. So sad, but it's okay as I can't do anything now. But I'm curious to see them with the tea lights in them. Let me again remind that I don't buy candle making supplies as I don't have space to keep them. So displaying these with my normal battery operated tea lights. I kind of love it now. Friends, what do you all say? Is it a yay or nay? Honest opinions, please. I won't mind as I need to improvise my working ways, right? So, suggestions are always welcome on my channel. So, thank you so much for watching and supporting. You all are amazing. Bye, everyone.